Hey everyone in YouTube land, how are you doing? We are still alive and doing well and better than ever. And yeah, it's been a while. I actually planned on making a video where I do this update that you can see. However, with the whole technology thing, I did not have much success, and this device that I'm recording with now is also giving me quite a bit of problems. As you can see, that old fish is getting massive. Random update. And yeah, so the kitchen actually took shape really well. We are at the point where I need to finish the lighting. As you can see, I still have some wiring hanging down, and that light needs to move, and some more wiring at the kitchen. So I thought, why not just come ahead and show you what the kitchen looks like. I'll just move away from the kitchen and look at my face, not the kitchen. Look at that. All tables that I made, put bottoms in, backs in, that side same story. And then if this will focus, there we go. I took a piece of tin roofing or sheeting or whatever you want to call it, and I put that on there, flush with the taps. I put the sink up on a little level. This is 100% level. Oh yeah, underneath it's sticking out a little bit just so that there is still space left for some soaps and suds, and it's under the window and it looks really good. Moved power in that side, built, I'll have a pre-built little pantry there for some of the food storage that we have. And yeah, so things are happening. It's not like nothing is happening. Also, I've actually painted the window frames. If you can see, these frames are looking quite delicious. I need to finish up on the walls. I've got a wire brush that I intend on brushing the walls down with, and that should it's a not a wire brush, it's a crimped wire cup, coarse for wood. You all know these ones on the grinder, and just roughen up the edges, and then we'll go ahead and paint again over the paint that's been peeling, because I made a stupid mistake. I painted over the laminate and that made the paint not stick as well, so on and so forth. But everything is coming together. There is things happening. We do have a bunch of plans coming up ahead. I still need to finish that little bit over there, if that's visible. And this lighting is horrible. Anyway, yeah, we just finished with some load shedding, where the government tells us we don't have enough power for everyone, so we will take some of the power from some of you and give it to the rest of you, and so on and so forth. I'm rambling. Oh, and then update. In our previous kitchen, we had those big, nasty desks and everything. Still needs to be painted, but we've transformed it into a bedroom sit-down area and makeup area and hair area where we do our hair. Clearly not mine. And yeah, this last little rabbit is doing well. Hello, bunny. Big old box. This thing just has this annoying tendency of playing with sleeping time, and it's right next to where we sleep, so it's quite annoying. That is the update that I have for you today. I've been working, and when I work, I don't always get the time to go, hello, self-filming, so I hope this counts as an update of sorts. We are going strong, and yes, soon I will have an update on the outside that I still need to finish. I'm doing some more things soon, taping up everything. It's just a bunch of things that still need to happen. So for now, that is it for this little update. I hope everyone's doing well. Hope all your wishes are coming true. Hope you are blessed beyond measure, and have a good one. I'll see you next time. Cheers.